I have used 9 volt strip to connect the power supply to the IC. Now I connected ground pin to this and positive pin to this positive supply. Next I am going to connect the motor pins. For the first motor, from the first motor, these two are the power supplies. I have connected this positive supply to first output from the air sensor, and I have connected negative supply because of polarization. Negative supply of second DC motor is going to act as a positive supply. I am going to connect it at here. Now the other pins of motor are going to connect at these places because of positive supplies. Then now I am going to connect the IR sensor with this IR sensor. I have used jumper wires to connect this because it's comfortable to connect. First, in this IR sensor it has 3 pins. One is negative pin, one is positive pin, one is output from IR sensor. Now first ground the negative pin. Then make a positive supply to the IR sensor right here. Then output from the IR sensor is going to first IR sensor is going to connect at the first pin number. Then now I am going to connect the second IR sensor, negative supply. Positive power supply. Output from the second IR sensor is going to connect at the pin number 2. Now the pin configuration is over. Now we are going to check how it is working. I am going to connect first IR sensor at here. I have used double side tape to connect IR sensor. IR sensor must not need to touch the ground surface, but it need to closer. I have connected both. Then collect all the wires and connect it into a single because it needs a perfection. Okay, now we are going to make a power supply. It's running. Now we see how it is working.